Good morning. Today study about the suffocation. Suffocation. It is defined or it is the form of death which result from the exclusion of air from the lungs other than that of the compression of neck. In strangulation or in hanging, there is the compression of neck, but in case of suffocation, it is the form of the death which result from the exclusion of the air from the lungs. Exclusion of air from the lungs. Type. First, a smothering or closure of the mouth and nostril. Common cause: infant accidentally smothered by an inexperienced mother who presses them to breast too closely while sucking, called as overlying. Second, common method of killing with hands. Third, sometimes drunken man accidentally smothered by falling with his face downward into mud or a sand, using plastic bag over the head. I'll repeat it again. Type of a smothering. First, type of a suffocation. First, a smothering or the closure of the mouth and nostril. Common cause: infants accidentally smothered by an inexperienced mother who presses them to breast too closely while sucking, called as overlying. Second cause: common method of killing with hand. Third, sometimes drunken man accidentally smothered by falling with his face downward into the mud or sand, using plastic bag over the head. Most common is the infant accidentally smothered by inexperienced mother while sucking the milk. Second, choking or obstruction of air passes within. Choking or obstruction of air passes within. Common cause: mostly accidental. Presence of as something like potato, tomato, or live fish, round worms, loose artificial teeth, piece of bread, etc. in the trachea, in the esophagus, or in trachea. Aspiration of vomitus into larynx, tumor pressing on the air passes, false membrane as in diphtheria case, massive pleural effusion, pus from an abscess in tonsils, foreign body in esophagus or in pharynx. Choking or obstruction of air passes within. Common cause: it is mostly accidental. Presence of something like foreign particles like potato, tomato, live fish, roundworms, loose artificial teeth, or piece of bread. It is in the trachea or in esophagus. Mostly in case of it is found in trachea. It is the most important part during the postmortem examination. You will find when you dissect the neck, you will find the foreign particle in case of the in trachea. Third one is the aspiration of the vomitus into larynx. Like in case of the head injury, the patient vomits, so that we have to suck out or suck out all the vomitus from the mouth and the pharynx. This vomitus may enter into the trachea and causes the obstruction of the air passes. Tumor pressing the air passes or false membrane as in case of the diphtheria. Massive pleural effusion, pus from the abscess in tonsils or the foreign body in esophagus or pharynx. These all are the common cause in case of the choking. And the most important part in case of the most important part in postmortem finding, you will find the artificial or foreign particle inside the trachea, which is the cause of the obstruction of air passes. Third one, the pressure on chest, traumatic chest, or cross asphyxia. Most common cause is chest pressed in crowds, riots, road traffic accident, or buried under earth, sand, or debris. Like pressure on chest or traumatic or cross asphyxia, like a In rides, the someone fall in the on grounds, and many people run over the chest of that person. In that case, the chest get compressed and ribs and the lungs may get ruptured, and the patient die due to hemorrhage and shock. And there will be presence of sign of the asphyxia. Fourth part, inhalation of poisonous or irritable gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, or the burning of smoke. Gagging. It is caused when some soft material is thrust into the mouth and throat like paper ball or rolled up cloths. It is caused when some soft material is thrust into the mouth and throat like paper ball or rolled up cloth. In that case, the paper ball or any cloth materials is pushed inside the mouth, and that causes the obstruction of the ear passages, and the patient died due to asphyxia. Burking. It is killing the victim by smothering and traumatic asphyxia, like throwing down the victim on the ground, kneeling on his chest, and then closing the mouth and nostril with hand to suffocate them. I will repeat it again. Burking. It is killing the victim by a smothering and traumatic asphyxia, like throwing down the victim on the ground and kneeling on his chest, and then closing and mouth and nostril with the hand to suffocate him. इसमें क्या करते हैं, पेशेंट को जो है ग्राउंड पे उसको गिरा करके उसके सीने पे चढ़ करके अपने घुटना से दोनों उसके चेस्ट को कंप्रेस करते हैं. ठीक है, दोनों उसके चेस्ट को घुटना से कंप्रेस करने के बाद उसके नाक और मुंह को क्लोज कर देते हैं. इससे क्या होता है, पेशेंट डाई कर जाता है. फेटल पीरियड इज डेथ इज almost instantaneous if the windpipe is blocked by some foreign body. The death normally occurs within 4 to 5 minutes on an average due to asphyxia. Postmortem appearance. First external appearance. Sign of struggle may be present or absent. Nose may flatten and septum fractured. Fracture of ribs may be present or absent. Face is pale, lips are bluish, and blood-stained froth comes out of the mouth and nostril. Limbs are bluish in color. I'll repeat it again. The external finding is the sign of struggle may be present or absent. Most commonly, it is present in most of the cases. Nose may be flattened, and septum may be fractured. Most commonly, it is nose become flattened and the septum is fractured. Fracture of the ribs may be present or absent. In most of cases, we find there is a fracture of the ribs. Face is pale and lips are bluish in color. Blood-stained froth comes out of the mouth and nostrils. Lips are bluish in color. Internal finding or appearance. Most important finding. The most important finding in case of the suffocation. Some foreign materials like mud, sand, piece of cloth, etc. may be found in mouth, throat, larynx, and trachea. In choking, there may be presence of any food particles. Trachea mucous membrane is bright red, congested, and covered with the blood-stained froth. Lung is congested. Heart right side full of the blood. Left side is empty, and brain and abdominal organs are congested. Internal finding, most important, some foreign materials like mud, sand, or piece of cloth, etc. may be found in the mouth, throat, larynx, and trachea. Trachea mucous membrane is bright red, congested, and covered with the blood-stained froth. Lungs are congested. Heart right side full of the blood and left side is empty. Brain and abdominal organs are congested. Medico-legal aspects, most common is accidental, then homicidal and rarely suicidal. Criteria for death due to suffocation: presence of evidence of violence and the presence of foreign body. These two are the criteria for the death due to suffocation. First one is the presence of any foreign particle inside the mouth, trachea, or larynx, and then the presence of the evidence of the violence. These two are the main criteria for the death due to suffocation. Okay, thank you.